Hello. You are watching Ramith English Research Center. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. Question 1. Explain daily routine in past tense. Answer. Here's an explanation of a daily routine described in the past tense. Waking up. I woke up at 6:30 a.m. yesterday. I felt refreshed after a good night's sleep. Morning activities. I brushed my teeth and took a quick shower. Then, I made a cup of coffee and had it with toast. After breakfast, I checked my emails before starting my day. Commuting. I left the house at 8 a.m. and caught the bus to work. On the way, I read a book and listened to some music. Work/school. I reached the office at 9 a.m. and attended a team meeting. I completed some important tasks and spoke with colleagues. During lunch, I ate a sandwich and chatted with friends. Evening activities. I left the office at 5 p.m. and stopped by the grocery store. At home, I prepared dinner and watched a TV show while eating. Night routine. After dinner, I washed the dishes and tidied up the living room. I read a few pages of a novel before going to bed. Finally, I turned off the lights and fell asleep at 10:30 p.m. This routine demonstrates how you can describe your day in past tense using actions you completed. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Ramith English Research Center. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.